Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to secure your Slack account by signing out of all active devices at once, perfect for when you've used a public computer or lost your phone. Step 1. Navigate to the Settings hub. To manage your global security, you first need to reach the Workspace Management area, which acts as the gateway to your personal account settings. Click on your profile picture in the bottom left sidebar of the Slack desktop app. From the menu that appears, select Workspace Settings. This action will open the Settings and Permissions hub in your web browser. Once that page loads, look for your profile picture again and click it. From that specific drop-down, select Account Settings. This path ensures you're in the official web-based dashboard where high-level security changes are made. Step 2. Locate the Session Management tool. Once you're in your browser's account settings, you'll need to find the specific kill switch for your active sessions. Scroll down the Settings tab until you find the section labeled Sign Out of All Other Sessions. This section acts as your digital reset button. It shows you that you're currently logged in to other mobile apps, desktop apps, or browsers. By using this tool, you ensure that every device except the one you are currently using will be immediately disconnected. Step 3. Confirm the global sign-out. Because this is a major security action, Slack requires a final confirmation to prevent accidental logouts. Click the button that says Sign Out All Other Sessions. A confirmation window will pop up. You'll be asked to enter your Slack password. This is a critical security step. It prevents someone who might have sat down at your unlocked computer from locking you out of your own account. Once you enter your password and hit the final Confirm button, Slack sends an instant signal to its servers to revoke all active tokens. Immediately, your phone, tablet, and any other computers will be forced back to the login screen. Any drafted messages on those devices that haven't been saved to the cloud yet will be lost, and anyone currently viewing your chats will lose access instantly. You will remain logged in only on the browser you are currently using. And that's pretty much it. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.